Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Ethereum truly is exchanging at $1,855.80 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.52% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. ETH fundamentally has a by and large complete market cap of $223,126,017,909, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $10,061,240,708, which truly is very huge. This, in every way that really matters, makes Ethereum most certainly positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in an especially large manner. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum really be worth in 2023, which for the most part is very huge? Is Ethereum a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will ETH cost really outperform its untouched high, which generally is very critical? These especially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost is supposed to especially cross a for the most part normal value level of $2,404.62. The normal kind of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to really be $2,309.63, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, ETH can sort of arrive at a really greatest value level of $2,610.89, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum value estimate June 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Ethereum could commonly go to $1,994.85 toward the finish of June 2023 in a truly significant manner. ETH could be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $2,051.84, with the especially least expected cost of $1,804.86, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value conjecture July 2023. The especially normal cost of Ethereum could truly go to $2,074.64 toward the finish of July 2023, or so they thought. ETH could by and large be exchanging around a greatest worth of $2,131.64, with the truly least expected cost of $1,998.65, which is very critical. ETH value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is gauged to be at around a genuinely least worth of $2,040.14 in a by and large significant manner. The Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a sort of limit of $2,235.37, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2,116.13 in USD. So the Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2,235.37, with the really normal exchanging worth of $2,116.13 in USD. Or so they generally thought. Ethereum value expectation September 2023. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at a genuinely least worth of $2,063.46 in September 2023, showing that besides ETH can by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $2,610.89 in an every practical sense, enormous way. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $2,320.01, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,158.46 all through 2023 incredibly. ETH value conjecture October 2023. The Ethereum figure for October 2023 expects that the ETH might arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,406.35 within an every practical sense. Least cost of around $2,147.21 in a by and large enormous manner. Discussing the by and large normal value, ETH can for the most part stretch around $2,223.21 for October in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value expectation November 2023. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is especially anticipated to in a real sense reach at a truly least worth of $2,236.14 in November 2023, or so they truly thought. The ETH cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $2,495.28, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $2,312.14 all through 2023 in a for the most part large manner. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. The cost of Ethereum fundamentally is explicitly anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $2,309.63 in December 2023, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The ETH cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $2,610.89, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $2,404.62 all through 2023. Ethereum passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost has shown a kind of good increment of 1.97% in every practical sense. Most recent 24 hours, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum basically is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins in an extremely significant manner. The ETH generally is down to nearly 0.72% in the sort of most recent 7 days. Kind of additional appearance how Ethereum value expectation November 2023. The cost of Ethereum is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at a very least worth of $2,236.14 in November 2023, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for commonly past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for exceptionally at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting how Ethereum pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost certainly has shown a very decent increment of 1.97% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH sort of diminished by 12.629%, taking out an incredible sort of normal amount of $268.26 from its kind of current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of good especially purchase a valuable open door for truly fast venture, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is around 13.71%, and the cost truly flowed from a base pretty typical cost of $1,579.46 to greatest essentially normal cost of $1,632.15 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, or so they thought. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum, all things considered, has shown a developing pattern. So will ETH cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which essentially is very huge. In this way, we essentially feel that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, as indicated by the in every practical sense most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Ethereum generally is expanded from 4 months, which certainly is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin sort of is up by 32.60%, with the kind of most extreme kind of normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $1,232.63, and the genuinely least fundamentally normal cost of in a real sense was around $1,202.88, and certainly beyond 4 months. Ethereum value figure 2023 FAQs. What will truly be Ethereum in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The ETH cost generally is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of greatest degree of